Okay, so at Statfold Barn they've got the National Fairground Museum, and it's an operational museum that you can actually go on the rides. So we're going to go inside and take a look. So as you can see inside, they've got all this pieces of the Funfairs, where you can see how finely painted it all is and well restored. And there's an old steam fair organ there. And they've got this wonderful carousel. And then this is the famous speedway, I think it was called, which whizzes round really fast. And then over here, as you can see, there's this like rocket ride, and I think this was what they used to call moon rockets. And then we've got the Hall of Mirrors here, the crazy mirrors, which used to be at all the fun fairs. And all these rides you can actually go on. Then we've got the ghost train here, traditional old ghost train. As you can see, people are riding on the rides as we speak. And a small carousel there. And then over here we've got the penny slots with the old slot machines. And these are all operational as well, the one-armed bandits. All these old 2p machines, which is really cool. And over there's some later ones, but they're still the old retro ones. And then you've got the Dodgems, and these are the different stalls where you win prizes. So this one you've got to throw the wooden balls into the mouths of the cartoon characters. Here we've got knocking down the tin cans and shooting. And then we've got this old fairground gypsy caravan, which is fantastically restored. And you can have a quick look inside, I'll just show you. So you can see the old stove there. It's absolutely stunning. So there's loads to do. And like I say, you can go on all these rides as well, they're all operational. As you can see, there's more of the woodwork off the old rides and all the signs. So the memorabilia is absolutely fantastic.
I was telling you about it.
It does, but you can't.
Alright, okay. No, it's going to take a while.